Alright, hey guys, welcome to our very first video on the channel. Today we are playing Build a Boat for Treasure, I do believe. Is that what it's called?
Yes, sir.
And we've already started making some progress.
Yeah, and I had to wait 15 minutes for this man because headphones weren't working.
They were, it just wouldn't let me talk.
So annoying though.
No, the OBS that I'm using right now, it just
Alright,
didn't let me
so-
talk. So we've built this structure so far.
I'm going
This
to
is
launch.
literally every no, don't launch yet. Okay, launch. So we're gonna try to make it all the way up to here. I've only made it to there.
He's made it to the last one, but not to the island.
Turn, come on, turn. Can you drive?
Oh! I'm so sorry.
Okay, now we can boat drive. Got it.
Turn left. This way.
Turn right. Stop it. I got it. Wait, stop. Don't screw. Don't. No. Wait, I can't turn it. There we go.
I'll be the going forward. You'll be the steer.
Yeah, you'll be front, forward, and backward. Go backward, go backward. Now go forward. Okay. We're in the clock tower. We are going to go to this spot. No clue what that is.
Crash!
I don't know why it says I haven't made it to these. I did. Oh gosh. Move forward. Thank you. Go backward, forward. No, go forward. Thank you. Thank you. Thank
Don't
you.
do that, Ellie.
Come on.
This way, this way.
We got it. Come on. Go, go, go. We got this. Go forward.
You'll be left and right. So,
Oh gosh. This is the eating one? Wait.
this is the candy.
I didn't make it to this. What?
You did.
No.
They changed.
Oh, they change?
Absolutely.
We just got a base. Go backward. Go backward. Go backward. You got the. Oh, we almost just got a baseball thrown at us. Go forward. No, wait. Just let it. Oh, we can't even control it anymore.
No!
My hair is gone again.
I have. No. You have your hat.
Yeah, but I don't have my hair.
I have my hair.
Oh gosh.
Oh.
These again. We have to dodge these.
So good.
No, don't.
I won't.
My chair's gone.
Sit in the other one.
We have backup chairs. Don't worry, guys. We were definitely prepared for this. Totally.
No, we weren't.
We really weren't.
Okay.
Oh, there's an extra chair. Timmy, no.
No, it's like this.
I guess this is a gaming one. The other chair is just floating.
No.
Oh god.
You're going
Oh
to
my
shoot
gosh.
until
We're
you
getting
get
shot
out
at.
of this area. That's good news for us. No! I'm dying! I'm dying!
Oh no, Adam. It's up to me.
It's up to you now!
Oh no.
Oh god.
Good thing I got on here quick enough.
We need some more chairs.
Probably. No, we need more space. We need more blocks.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna get a rare chest. No. Common. I'm gonna buy commons.
I'm on one block. We're doing a one block challenge here. I died.
You were on one block. And we're not doing a one challenge. Hell no. Is hell considered? Oh, no, it's not. It's not.
I got 56 coins
Oh, I
from
got
that.
a chair. Let's go.
I got 56 coins.
I got a chair.
One Joe Studios Treasure Hunter
I got
Award.
60. I have 40 right now. I'm spending it. So we can get
Wait,
some
where are
more
you at?
chairs. We need extra chairs.
Where are you? Oh, you're over there.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna buy a rare.
No. Why did you just do that?
What do you mean? I got a door, a trap door, a door, and all this other stuff.
Oh, man.
I mean, it looks like it was worth the money.
I'm gonna get the 15 one.
I got another chair. My last open. And I got a window.
15.
This is nice. I'm gonna start building another boat.
I'm gonna stop placing torches from now on. Are you sure we wanna? Sorry, I almost launched.
Yeah, you want to make sure we don't launch early. Then we're gonna die.
Oh no. Alright, where are you?
I'm building a boat for some treasure.
You're building a boat for treasure. Where, Gracie? Do you like treasure? You like treasure? Hello?
Coins, yeah.
No, treasure.
No,
That's cool.
no.
She likes me.
I thought she was gay. Oh well.
She's not gay. Although she does like me.
I heard she told another person that she liked them, and it was a girl.
That's fine. I don't care. We need paint. We need that whole thing. We need all of this. Do you have any blocks?
No, not much.
I have 14 total of wooden blocks.
You have a lot. Just expand it.
I'm the expander. Expand by saying, Chris, can I say skibbity toilet in the chat, please? Oh wait, yeah, guys, please don't put skibbity toilet in the comment section.
It's gonna be all skibbity toilet. And I'm gonna
Doesn't
like
like
them.
it.
I'm gonna like them.
Hmm?
If they put skibbity toilet, I'm just gonna like them because you said not to.
I'm saying
I have
because
3
you don't like
chairs.
skibbity toilet.
So they can put whatever they want. Doesn't matter to me.
Fine then, for our next video, we're playing the skibbity toilet game.
Okay.
That.
Okay. Wait, don't say that. Wait, no. Why would you do that?
Hmm?
Now they're gonna know what we're gonna do.
I'm just saying.
We're not. Delete this ramp.
Hmm?
Delete this ramp.
Why?
Because it's useless. It's just gonna go away.
Well, I need to expand more. Let me just place some decorations and a few more chests.
We're gonna place a mirror for no reason at all.
It's not a mirror. It's
A window, my bad.
here's my defenses. All right, here's our defenses. Place some windows. Defense or windows?
I already have mine right here. That's all. Okay, sit down. We're gonna start.
No.
We're gonna start.
Absolutely not.
I'm gonna start it.
Wait, I need to expand.
I'm gonna start it. This is a pretty big boat, you know.
It's not gonna survive.
Wait, what I'm gonna do?
I have so
I'm gonna
many
delete
blocks.
this and then put it in the middle.
Excuse me. Excuse me again. Please
Stop burping.
It's natural. It's not like I can just burp on my own.
You could.
Oh wait, yeah, I can.
Anyway, come on. Get in a seat.
Expansion.
Come on.
I'm expanding.
I'm gonna launch it. I'm not. I'm waiting.
We have so much room. I need one more motor and one more block. I need my motor. And this is the final block. Place. Right, controller.
You did not need to place the other one. The other motor.
Yes, I did.
I can't even use it.
Why did I say?
Let's open up all of our chests.
Why is it? No, don't open the chests.
Yeah, why not?
I opened the last one. Why does it still show where we've been?
Because they're not old. They're not changed. I guess they only change if you like leave.
Titan Clock Man. This is an area that would be very stupid.
Oh gosh. Immediate rocks.
I'm gonna play Spotify.
Oh my gosh. No, don't.
Okay, fine. I'll play the
Your
video.
playlist is terrible. Get out of that. Adam,
What?
get out of that.
Out of what?
That! Turn off the Xbox. Are you deaf? Thank you.
Oh shoot. I was supposed to slip. LOL. No. Our defenses are gone.
If that controller's broken, that won't be the only thing broken.
What else would? There's a boat. Get it? Because our boat it's breaking.
Ah!
What happened? Did you just yell for no reason?
No, we don't have a motor anymore.
Let me get my paper.
Everything that was on the boat, besides our chairs, is now gone.
No. We still have some tables.
On the boat?
Yes.
I don't see any tables on the boat.
No! We're on the area. We're on the area. This is the area I died. Rest in peace, my spot.
I don't think they do any damage.
They do.
Must be pretty small. Oh wait, no, never mind. Yep, your chair is gone.
How am I still standing?
I'm still standing.
No!
Oh god. A cannonball just destroyed a lot of our ship.
Chris? Did you just kiss?
Hmm?
Did you kiss?
No, I said ship.
Oh, you said the other word.
No.
Alright, I have my phone.
This is a family-friendly YouTube channel. Oh god. Oh jeez. Oh no.
I now have 70 coins. I got it!
Hmm?
Yes!
I died.
That would be you.
I was 2 away.
I bought a rare chest. And I got some money. I'm just kidding. It's just Pokemon cards. Comment down below what's your favorite Pokemon if you watch it. Comment your favorite Pokemon. Okay, I have enough for like
I don't know what I just got.
build with only blocks.
What is this?
Blocks.
What's this? Oops.
Chris?
I'm gonna buy another.
Only use blocks for the actual boat. Decorations are like all the other stuff. I was about to curse. Again.
No swearing.
I'm not gonna,
Family friendly.
I'm not gonna swear.
Well,
we're also kid friendly.
all right. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. If you want to see us make another build a boat for treasure video, but we're building certain things, we can do that. Or if you want us to play a different game on Roblox or a different game in general that it doesn't have to be Roblox, we do play Minecraft. I play Call of Duty, and we both play Fortnite. If y'all want us to do any content of that, we can. And yeah, I mean,
Oh, not Call of Duty because I don't play it.
I do though. Oh, if you want to see both of us do a video like together with him in it, we both play Roblox, we both play Minecraft, and we both play Fortnite. But we don't have anything planned for any future video. Yeah, we don't have any ideas. So if y'all want us to do something in particular that y'all would like to see,
Comment down
just
below.
comment it down below, and
I
we
hope
will
you
definitely
guys
do
all
it.
enjoyed the video.
Yeah, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Bye, guys.